I completely believe that, Dave. There's a guy, he actually read the book. He's considered one of the fathers of New Age music, Stephen Halpern. And through some contacts, I got introduced to him, and he got a copy of the book, and he wrote a blurb for the book, by the way. But Stephen Halpern has been making music for healing. He has like music for healing, music for meditation, music for bedtime. And so he, believes that you have certain frequencies, certain megahertz that have certain properties.